Hello everyone, my name is Mako. Today we're gonna do 10 to 15 minutes Pilates flow, focusing on someone who has back pain and will need more stretch. Okay, you don't need any equipment. You can just grab your mat and take a deep breath, and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna lay down first. Okay, and let's do 3 deep breaths. You can put your hand onto your belly, relax your shoulder, long neck, spine straight. Inhale, we're gonna bring your air onto your belly and your lower back, and then exhale. And think about your belly is sinking onto the mat. One more time. Inhale, neutral position. You can have small space on your mat and your lower back. Exhale. Your belly all the way down. One more time. Inhale, inflaming your belly and your lower back as well. Exhale in. Okay, let's bring your right leg towards your chest. One more deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, let's do the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, and then bring your arms overhead, legs straight, and we're gonna roll up slowly. You can hold underneath your thigh as well. We're gonna open your legs, shoulder width distance, flex your feet. Let's do spine stretch. Bring your arms in front of you. You can bend your knee, but I want you to focus on bringing your spine up to the ceiling, straight up, upright position. Inhale, exhale, hinge. Inhale, spine straight, and then hinge again. Exhale, up. Make sure your pelvis is on your tailbone. Spine up, right? Inhale, exhale, hinge. Create round shape here. And then inhale, stretch. Exhale. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, exhale, hinge. And stretch. Exhale, bring your body up. Think about your spine out straight up to the ceiling here. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, round. And inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Come back to upright position here. Okay, and then let's come up here and then quadrille position. Think about you have a wall here. Let's do cat stretch. Inhale. exhale, you're gonna scoop your belly in and then keep rounding your spine here. Inhale, come back to neutral position. Exhale, round. Inhale. Exhale, round. Your pelvis are going forward. And scoop your belly in. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale in. Okay, we're gonna come back onto the floor. Your legs are tabletop position. Your arms open to T. We're gonna do spine twist. Inhale. Exhale. You can have small movement here, but inhale. When you bring your legs to the center, focus on your abs. Inhale. Engaging your abs to bring your legs to center. Inhale. Exhale. One more each side. Exhale, center. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, center. Okay, and then bring your both leg straight. And we're gonna bring your left leg to the right side. And have a deep spine stretch here. Take a 2 deep breath. Okay. And then straight your both leg. Right leg tabletop position. Bring it to the left side. And your eyes gazing onto your right hand. Take a 2 deep breath. Okay, again, we're gonna come back to quadruped floor position. And then we're gonna have resting position here. 2 deep breath. And bring your right arm. Bring it to the left side. Two more deep breath. Okay, let's do the other side. Two deep breath. Okay. And slowly roll up. Okay, let's facing first this way. Bring your right leg in front of you and left leg on your left side. And have a mermaid stretch here. Eyes gazing on to your right hand. Have a deep stretch. And then let's do the other side. Okay, now we're gonna change our legs. Left leg in front of you, right leg right next to you here. Let's do a deep stretch. And then the other side. Okay. And then we're gonna put your legs in front of you. Create diamond shape here. Let's have 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Make sure your spine's upright position. Think about someone pulling your head here. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. And then let's finish with roll up, roll down. Inhale. Long neck, open your chest. Relax your shoulder. Soften your knees. Inhale. Exhale, slowly roll down. Inhale. Exhale, draw your abdominals in. And come back to neutral position. Inhale. Exhale all the way down. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, slowly roll up. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this stretch Pilates exercise. See you soon. Hi, my name is Mako. I'm a certified Pilates instructor. I have Pilates, yoga, thinkable activewear on my website. Please check Fieldtime.store or check in my bio. 皆さんこんにちは、マコです。アメリカでピラティスのインストラクターをやっています。ピラティスとヨガとピックルボールのアクティブウェアのサイトがあるので、ぜひ Fieldtime.store でチェックしてみてください。それか私のバイオをチェックしてください。